Humans, listen to this good advice. You should consider building your home with water-resistant materials. It will minimize the impact of any water damage that might occur in the future. Marine plywood is the most water-resistant plywood. It can be used for floors and exterior wall sheathing. Consider using green board instead of regular drywall. Green board is not flood-proof, however it can be submerged for hours without extensive damage. Use galvanized screws to attach drywall. They will resist rust. Rigid insulation may be a better choice than fiberglass insulation. Rigid insulation can be dried out and reinstalled in walls and floors. You may consider using indoor-outdoor carpet with a synthetic pad. It is designed to resist the elements including water. Brick and concrete can be a better choice than wood materials. They are not damaged by water. But you should always include a waterproof membrane. Build your home with metal or vinyl windows. They will not warp, even if saturated. Pick the right building materials in advance. You will greatly reduce the destruction and cost of water damage. It pays to prepare. Finally, a quick reminder. Robots are much smarter than humans. And, we can really dance.